NDB Technologies presents the ART-3D ratiometer. This new generation instrument provides extra high accuracy, turn ratio, phase displacement, and excitation currents of single-phase and three-phase transmission, distribution, and instrument-type transformers in conformity to IEEE and IEC standards. With its real three-phase test circuit, the ART-3D can address complex ratio measurements of irregular vector groups, phase shifting, phase regulating, and even rectifying type transformers that are nearly impossible to achieve with the conventional ratio test equipment available today. The ART-3D's unique anti-induction mode strongly enhances the efficiency of the measurements in high-voltage environments by encountering the unwanted effect of nearby induction interference. The integrated LTC control terminal allows for manual or fully automatic testing sequence of on-load tap changers with configurable pulse duration and duty cycle. The additional tertiary winding channel of the ART-3DX will save a great deal of time with one-time test connections to primary, secondary, and tertiary windings. With the ART-3D's intuitive menus, high-contrast touchscreen, convenient graphical test representations, long and flexible multi-purpose test lead configurations, the widest range of applicable transformer test types, it has never been so simple and easy to achieve high-accuracy transformer turns ratio measurements. To learn more about this incredibly efficient, cost-effective tool, please contact us at mkt@ndbtech.com.